Hey guys, we got a 2021 Toyota 4Runner. We end up installing the alarm system and we flashed the module and downloaded the firmware that belongs to this vehicle, so everything interacts with the factory remote control. And the main reason why he wanted this is because he has a habit of forgetting to lock the door, so he wanted that self-arm, so that way if in case he forgets to lock the door and arm it, will automatically do it in 30 seconds from factory. This car did not have it. We already checked, so he hadn't, and plus we gave him the remote start and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it works. Yeah, just arm by itself, by the way. To remote start it, you hit this lock 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and that's gonna remote start the car. Okay. To turn it off, I'm gonna hit unlock. That turns off the alarm and unlocks your doors. If you decide not to go anywhere, you can leave the car running, in fact, and you can re-lock it. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and disable it. Okay. Then what you do is once the car gets in, you do not push the foot on the brake, because I will shut off my remote start. Just turn the key forward. You don't have to start the car. Once you push the foot on the brake, everything shuts off and the car is ready to go, and it will be nice and cold for you. And once you get to your destination, once you turn off the car, it will turn off as well. I'm going to show you guys something else. I'm going to arm the alarm. See how my alarm works together with the factory remote. See? And of course it will flash your lights. If anybody bangs on the window, it will trip the alarm system. By the way, the shock sensor is fully adjustable. We didn't want to set it too sensitive because, for one, he lives in apartments. For two, there's planes that go by here, so we don't want this thing going off all the time. This alarm with the remote start in this 2021 4Runner was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814 on this 2021 Toyota 4Runner. And we thank you for watching this video.